Only direct your hand palm towards Hajar Aswad and don't kiss it during this action. Also say Allahu Akbar while doing so. From a mawquf hadith of Hazrat Ibn Umar, in which Bismillah is also added with Allahu Akbar. Bismillah Allahu Akbar. Let's start Tawaf and also see what are the requirements of Tawaf. One of the important things is to start Tawaf from right hand in a way that Kaaba is on your left side. Now start your rounds and complete 7 rounds. Each cycle starts from Hajar Aswad and completes on it. Start each round by kissing Hajar Aswad or kissing your hand palm or a stick after touching it, or by just pointing your hand palm towards Hajar Aswad, which is called Istilam. Viewers, you will go round Kaaba 7 times outside the limit of Hatim. This place is also part of Kaaba, as it was told to Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu by Holy Prophet that if someone offers prayer here, then it is just like he offers prayer in Khana Kaaba. After Hatim, it is the turn of Rukn Yamani. In each round about Kaaba, it is masnoon to touch Rukn Yamani with hand. If there is much crowd and you cannot touch it, leave it and continue your Tawaf. At this point, stopping and pointing your hand towards it is not proved from Holy Prophet ﷺ. But he used to recite this dua between Rukn Yamani and Hajar Aswad. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.